Want to know how to edit your account in Guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Guru.com, which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. Now, once everything is done, here you should be under the dashboard by default. Now, editing your account is super simple. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your avatar or your profile picture, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing edit account on top. So you can do simply like that. So now once you have selected edit account, here you should be seeing various options that we can choose from. Now, right here, you should also be seeing your profile. So you can just simply edit your full name, your number, your email, your address, and much more. So you can also head towards feedback and your profile and your stats and also security, as you can see on the left side right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you can change your username and password, your social login, your account security, and much more, including your membership and all. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and join in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.